Watch this video to understand how buying and selling works in zero hunger market. It's just like a demo. I'm showing you a demo of how it works. When a supplier posts and a distributor, somebody I want to buy in bulk, buys. So I've logged in this zero hunger market account. That's why I can access that market. You cannot access this market unless you are logged in. So I just want to show you. So that logging in and another thing is another part. So I just want to show you, once you log in and you are a supplier, you have activated your account and access your account. If you click on market, you see I'm in market like this. Then if you want to post, you will go to this menu now and you will see sell product. You see this is sell product. You click on sell product. When you click on sell product, then you can list new product item. Let's say you want to sell one bag of rice, 50 kg. You just write 50 kg bag of rice, 50 kg bag of rice. That's all. Or you can say 50 kg bag of rice. You can say, if you are selling in large quantity, you say you are selling 10 bags. So when you are adding the price now, if one bag is 50,000, it means that 10 bags should be 500,000. That's what you should write. Then, as a supplier, you should have a video. An officer will tell you how to do it. An officer will guide you on how to do a video and post it on YouTube. Then get the link and post it. But it's optional. So, but if you don't want to post a video, you now post the image. You can now click on image and add an image to it. That is how to post. Then when you have posted, you see all the ones you have posted. And if you can edit the price. And every week you have to come and update the price. If you don't update the price, it will disappear from the market. If there is any price change, you can click on edit to change the price. When you click on edit, you can change the price. If you don't want to change the price, you click on cancel. You leave it as it is. So that is the only work you are doing as a supplier. Post any offer that you have and post it, explain it in order. Make sure you explain it in order so that the person that will be buying will understand what you did. If this thing comes with delivery, you are also going to add nationwide with delivery or free delivery. Say with delivery inclusive, which means that the person is not paying for delivery again. And it's very, very important to include that with delivery. Add your delivery, every cost, add it here, such that, or maybe you will say that you can even explain places you deliver. If you don't deliver to all the places, you can say you deliver only to, maybe you say Lagos, Abuja, and Port Harcourt. Make sure you explain everything here when you are posting. Just explain everything here and the pricing and everything, so that once the person, this is product name and the description, a simple description about it, and you now add the price. If it comes with delivery, you add it. And when you post it, your work as a supplier is every week you come and update it. Or if there is any price change, or somebody calls you and say he is buying at this so rate, you want to buy 200 bags, you can come here and list it so that the person will go and place order. So I'm going to now show you how a person place order, and if the person place order, what you are going to do when the person calls you that he has placed an order. I will go to another account that I have. Let's say now that I want to place an order here. I will go to market. I will click on, I want to use this palm oil. View details. You see, everything is explained now. Everything is explained here. So, and you have to read these instructions. You also have to make sure you read these instructions. Don't pay money to any person. If you are a buyer, don't pay money to a supplier straight. Otherwise, if anything happens, zero hunger market will not help you to sort out the issue. So I've seen it already. I've seen even the contact of the seller is here. So I can actually contact the seller from here. I will now click on buy product. I will fill my details. I will fill all my details here. When I fill all my details, I will now click on confirm order. So let me fill my details. Now I'll fill all my details and attach my phone number, everything. So I will now click on confirm order. You see this confirm order here. I'll click on confirm order. Once I click on confirm order, say order confirmed. I will copy this delivery code. So I'll click OK. But if I click OK now, you see this is the delivery code. So once you get a delivery, you can now send this delivery to the seller. But if you have not received the delivery, don't copy this. Immediately the money has gone from your account. So if I check my balance now, the money has, let me check my balance now. So the money has been deducted from my account. The money has been deducted from my account. This is the money has deducted from my account here. So the next thing is me. I will click on check orders. I'm the one that bought, so that I will see that code. When I click on check orders, this is the order that I place. So if you start contacting the seller or you chat the seller on WhatsApp, make sure you copy the number. You start calling him. Once he delivers it to you, you can now carry this code and send to the person. You send it to the seller. So I will copy this code and go there. Assuming now that I'm the seller and I've received the code, I will now get my money. But make sure you call the seller. If you start calling the seller, maybe there is a problem, you click on report transaction. If there is any problem that arises, you wait. You don't get a delivery, you have to report the transaction. So let me go to the other account. Now if I click on check orders here now, I will see that order that the person made. This is the check order. So this is I'm using this as a seller account. I will see that order. You see my sales orders to deliver. This is the order now. So because of these orders now, I have to enter that code. Once I enter that code, this is the details of the person that placed the order. I can call him to have his number as well. Once I place that code here, I will click on get funds. Once I get funds, the funds will enter into my account. I will now check my transactions. Click on get funds. Are you sure you have delivered this item? Yes, I'm sure I have delivered it. Say success. Funds released 55,000 added to your balance. That is the cost of that palm oil. I can now withdraw it through an officer in my area or contact management of Zero Hunger. The money will be released to my account. So transaction has been completed. That is how to buy and sell on Zero Hunger market. If you check my transactions now, I think you will see that 55,000. So this is the 55,000 payment for original gallon. This is payment. You see 55,000 naira. You will see it in your transaction, and you enter your balance, you can withdraw it. That is how to buy and sell on Zero Hunger market. It's very simple. It's not difficult.